అయోధ్యలోని శ్రీరామ జన్మభూమి తీర్థ ట్రస్ట్ నేతృత్వంలో ఈ నెల 22న నిర్వహించనున్న శ్రీరామ మందిరం ప్రాణప్రతిష్ఠ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొనవలసిందిగా మారిషస్లోని హరిహర దేవస్థానం ప్రధాన అర్చకులు ఆచార్య బృందావనం పార్థసారథి గారికి అరుదైన అవకాశం లభించింది. ఈ మేరకు ఆయనకు ట్రస్ట్ నుండి ఆహ్వానం అందింది. ఈ సందర్భంగా ఆచార్య బృందావనం పార్థసారథి మీడియాతో మాట్లాడుతూ ఇలాంటి అవకాశం లభించడం ఆనందంగా ఉందన్నారు.
Chanting with different linguistic brothers, Hanuman Chalisa, Ramayan and Rama Bhajan, and with different lorries from Portlace to the Harihara Devasthanam, this Rama Shobha Yatra will continue. And for this purpose, we informed our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Pravin Kumar Jagannath ji, and also for the sake of the Mauritian entire the population and the head of the state of the Sri Honorable Pravin Kumar ji, I am taking from the Mauritius for the Prana Pratishtha of Ramlala Ganga Talav sacred water, and also we are planning to the 108 perils mala permanently to stay in the Rama neck in the Ayodhya. We are planning to take and performing a special prayers in Harihara Devasthanam in front of the Panchamukhi Hanuman. We will take and hand over to the Vishwa Hindu Parishad head on Prana Pratishtha day to put around the neck of the Sri Rama. For this, really, for all our Mauritian Hindus, it is a great festival. As Honorable Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi ji announced, we have a second Deepavali. On 22nd, the auspicious Muhurtam, midday, everyone from their homes or Shivalas, temples, mandirams, kovils, minimum 5 lamps lamping and also chanting the Ramanamam. And also the same day 22nd at night, it is Ayodhya Rama return back. So we will perform Mauritius also second Deepavali celebration on 22nd night. All the requesting to the all the federations, societies, social cultural organizations, and also particularly all Sanatanists and Hindus on 22nd night in Shivalas to perform with rangolis and lamps and put the mango toranams and welcome to the Ayodhya Rama and to celebrate Deepavali to bless not only the India to our Mauritius country. Particularly last and least, this chance on behalf of the Mauritius, all the people, all the Sanatanists, all Hindus, I am going to the Ayodhya to perform a special prayers, and I will bring the after the Ramlala Pratishtha Ayodhya Sarayu river water to bless our country, and also after the blessings once I come back, I will hand over the first as the head of the state of the our country, Sri Honorable Prime Minister Sri Pravin Kumar ji. We will give to the blessings and also will give the prasad handover to the Pravin Kumar ji. And thank you very much and Jai Sri Ram.
Jai Sri Ram.